What's going on, everyone? Well, we got my 2025 Toyota Sequoia. Today we're gonna make a video on the hybrid battery fan filters. Okay, that's a lot to say. So if you didn't know, all your Toyota hybrids, the batteries all need to be cooled. They use a fan, and before the fan they all use filters, and they need to be inspected and cleaned at a certain mileage. Today I'm going to show you where they are, okay, and how to pull them out, and right here in a second I'll go over when you need to actually inspect the filters, okay. But yeah, Toyota Sequoia uses two filters. They're two different part numbers. I'll give you the part numbers here in a second. Go ahead and show you where the filters are at real quick. You're going to have one behind this panel here, and on the other side the same thing. We're only going to be taking this side apart. It's exactly the same on the other side. All right, so what you're going to want to do is come over here. You don't need any tools. You can just use your fingers. The cup holder here, we're going to go ahead and just lift up this front part of it. Go and get your fingernails, put them in here, and just gently lift up. The plastic is really soft. I don't want to use any tools on it and mark it up. This truck is brand new. Pull this up, and then we're going to take this off. Come over here to this side. Same thing with your fingernails. Everything's really soft, and this is just clips. Pull it towards you, and then you can pull this whole panel this way. Now I'm actually going to unplug this switch for the seat so we can take it over to the bench and I can show you what's going on. And there you go. All right, so this is the right side filter here, and all you got to do is just Toyota wants you to do is Toyota actually doesn't even recommend you replace these, okay. They're actually recommend that you clean them. So if you go into your warranty maintenance guide, there's actually a schedule in here for you. I'll go over that real quick. Every 5,000 miles, okay, if we look at HV battery cooling intake filter, these eyes right here are inspect, 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 and then at 20,000 miles it says clean, inspect, 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 and at 40,000 miles it's clean, okay. And it does that all the way up to like 120,000 miles. So Toyota never really recommends, okay, telling you that you need to replace this. It just says you need to clean them every 20,000 miles, okay. So just pull it off like this, and the part we're going to clean, we turn it over, is this part here, okay. And to clean it, it's really simple. You can already see that I got some dog hair in here, all right. And all you gotta do is get a little bit of compressed air. You don't need super high powered compressed air. You can use like an air duster and just run this guy out. You can see how like fragile the filter is. You want to be really careful so you don't damage it. But get any of the dust and hair off of there, and then you can put it right back in. It has these little tabs like this. Okay, here's a brand new one, straight from Toyota. All right, you can see here, this is actually the wrong side. I'm gonna give you both part numbers for both sides. They'll be in a description box. Let's see, this is the right one. All right, so same thing. I'm kind of doing this over again, but whatever. Get this guy right out of the box from Toyota. Bam, bam, and then we just go and replace this. What you're looking for is G92DH, the DH, G92DJ, okay? This is the left side here, all right? And we'll just plug the switch in. Now when you go to put this back, they can be kind of finicky, all right? You want to work on this first little tab here to get it where it needs to go here, okay? This seems to be the challenging part of all this. It's getting this lined up first, like that. Make sure it's all smooth, and work your way down. And then just push it together, and the cup holder should go down right on top of it. And that's it, okay? And you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment. And if you want to see some more Toyota content, you can always hit subscribe. See you guys later.